Hello guys, welcome back to my another episode of unboxing. For you guys who are new to my channels, my name is Amelia. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. In that way, you will always get an update every time my new video is up. Before I open up my new camera box, I would like to talk a little bit about why I bought this camera. So the first thing that I need in a camera is the quality of the video. Sony Alpha 6400 can record a 4K video with 60 frames per second. The next thing is flip up screen. I do mostly my recording by myself, so it's very important to me that I can see myself in the screen, and it also helps me to double check that the autofocus is detecting my face. Speaking about autofocus, this camera provides a real-time autofocus system that applies for both photography and videography. The image quality in this camera also very great. With a 24 megapixels, it produces a great quality image with a human skin tone, looks more natural. By the way, there is no recording limit. Yes, you hear me right. It means that I can record a video for a longer period of time, and it can pass 30 minutes. This camera also solves overheating issues with the new processors, which allow it to use more power efficiently. This camera is also compact and light, and it's great for my next travels. It also has a wireless system, which means I can transfer wirelessly into my smartphone and post it into social media right away. Even though this camera doesn't have in-body stabilizations, I'm not worried about this because most Sony lenses has optical steady shots, and for outdoor video recording, I can just use a gimbal for more smooth video outcomes. Alright, enough for the chatting, let's open up the box. Here we go, this is my new Sony Alpha 6400. Okay, ooh, I'm so excited for this. Okay, so first thing is the booklet. This is the instruction booklet, and it's come with different languages. And this is the power code. I think this is the power code for Australia, and this is for Indonesia, and this is maybe for Europe. I will find out later. And this is the AC adapter, and this is the battery, the USB cables, and the straps. And this is the eye caps. And finally for this is the camera. Oh my god, it's really light guys, and it's really great in my hands. Look, it's not too big, not too bulky. Oh my god, how amazing is this? Look at this. Here we go guys, have a look at this. Oh my god, how amazing is this guys? Okay, let's try to turn this one on. Okay, so this is the battery, and I think you just slide it like this to open up. Yep, like that. And open it up again, and it's just the bottom to do that. How cool is this? Wow, how cool. I can't wait to record a video with this camera for my content. Alright, I think I have a lot of things to do with my new camera, but I'm very excited to learn new things, guys. That's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you know someone who's looking for buying a new mirrorless camera, you can share my video and recommend my video. That will be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you like my video, please give a thumbs up. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.